Hello everyone. Now let's start second part of question number 5 of exercise 2.4. You have given a polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. As you know, this is a cubic polynomial. So first take the constant term, that is 5. Now factorize 5. 1 into 5. These are two factors of this 5. So x plus 1 or x plus 5. Maybe both of these or one of these is. This is a factor of this polynomial px. So to find to check whether x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, we have to use the trial method. At first we will try it at x plus 1. If we fail, then we will try x plus 5. So using trial method, to find the value of x, we can put the factor x plus 1 equal to 0. If x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, then the value of x will be the 0 of this polynomial. For a 0 of the polynomial, it will satisfy the polynomial, means it remains at 0, means it gives the remainder 0 if you put the value of x minus 1 in the polynomial. So just replace this x by minus 1, you will get p minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1, because the value of x is minus 1 here, and minus 1. Now solve this. Minus 1 cube, you know that this is minus 1. Minus 1 square, you know that this is 1. 1 multiplied by minus 3, you will get minus 3. Minus minus plus, 9 ones are 9, minus 5. Now solve. Minus 5 minus 3 minus 1. All three are the negative numbers. When three integers are of same sign, you can add them and put the same sign. Means if they are negative, you will add and put the negative sign. If they are positive, you will add and put the positive sign. So here minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. Now plus 9 forward as it is. Now same numbers with opposite sign, you can cut them. Minus 9 cut by positive 9. You will get 0. It means p at minus 1 is 0. Means minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. Means minus 1 is the 0 of this polynomial, and x plus 1 will be the factor of this polynomial. So to find the other factors, we have to divide polynomial by this factor to get a quadratic polynomial. So let us check the greatest power term, that is x cube, and greatest power term from the divisor is x. So you can divide. This is x cube, means x square into x. So cut x to x, you will get x square. So it goes on x square. Now multiply this x square with x, you will get x cube, and right here multiply x square with 1, that is x square, and right here. Now do the subtraction, and for the subtraction, you know that you will change the sign. This positive become negative, this positive become negative. Now same number with opposite sign, you know this will be cut. X cube cut by minus x cube. Now this is minus 3x square, this is minus x square. Both are the negative terms, and when you have two negative integers, you can add them and put the same sign. Means minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Write x square with it. Now transfer this minus 9x, means forward minus 9x. Now see, minus 4x is the greatest power term here. So minus 4x square will divide by x, the greatest power term of the divisor. Now see, x cut by this x, because x square is there, so remain minus 4x. So goes on minus 4x. Now multiply this minus 4x with x, you will get minus 4x square. Now multiply minus 4x with 1, you will get minus 4x. You see, when you subtract, you will change the sign. So minus 4x become plus 4x square, minus 4x become plus 4x. Now these are two same number and opposite sign. Minus 4x cut by plus 4x square. So this becomes 0. And minus 9x plus 4x, when you solve, this will be a subtraction, and the sign carried with the sign carried of the greatest number. Okay, ignoring the sign. So 9 minus 4 is 5, and 9 have negative sign, so it is minus 5x. Now forward this minus 5. Now you have the greatest power term is minus 5x. Now divide this minus 5x with the greatest power term of x. So you can cut here, you will get minus 5. So it goes on minus 5. So multiply this minus 5 to x, you will get minus 5x. Multiply minus 5 to 1, you will get minus 5. Now you are going to subtract, so change the sign. This negative become positive, this negative become positive. So you can cut the same number with opposite sign. So this the remainder you get is 0. So what it means, this polynomial when factorized you will get these two factors. So your cubic polynomial can also be written as the product of these two factors plus remainder. Remainder, you know that this is 0. So finding the factors of this quadratic polynomial now. For this quadratic polynomial, again we will see the factors of this minus 5. The factor of minus 5 are, or 5 are 5 into 1. You know that you want to get the middle term, that is minus 4. How can you get? When you subtract, minus 5 from 1, you will get minus 4. Okay, so what it means, minus 4x can also be replaced by minus 5x and plus x. So replace this minus 4x by minus 5x and x. Just forward this minus 5 and x square as it is. Now do the pairing. First two will be paired and last two will be paired. So see what is the common factor, that is x. You can take common. So x square when divided by x, you will get x. Minus 5x when divided by x, you will get minus 5, plus nothing is common in variable and constant. So x and 5 are having 1 as the common factor. So you can write 1 as the common here. So what is remain? X minus 5 will remain here. Now see, these are two terms. These are two terms and x minus 5 is common in both the terms. So you can take as the common. What will be remain here? X. What will be remain here? Plus 1. So x minus 5, x plus 1 are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. So you can write the cubic polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 have three factors like x plus 1, x plus 1, x minus 5. You know that the same base when multiplied, the power will add. So power 1 become power 2. So x plus 1 square into x minus 5 are the factors of this cubic polynomial.